ever attended a wedding or birthday party? What about a sports game or an award ceremony? These are all types of events. An event is basically any occasion that gives us a break from our normal routine.
For example, most days you might come home after a long day, cook dinner, watch series, and hopefully do some studying for this course. But on one evening, you might go to the opening of a new art gallery. This change in routine is an event. Events also provide an opportunity for people to come together, to celebrate, share ideas, and have fun. Zenani is an event planner. Let's look at her calendar to see which events she will be planning this month. On the 2nd, she is organizing a football tournament. There are 15 teams participating, and she is responsible for ticket sales and an after party for the teams and spectators. The following day, there's a jazz festival for the local community. She has organized 10 food vendors and 20 acts to perform at a park. Later that week, she will be busy with Mark and Hannah's engagement party. They're keeping it simple and are only inviting friends and family to their favorite restaurant. Zenani has a few days off until the weekend business conference for management development. There will be 200 managers from around the globe coming together to discuss ideas. They will also be able to attend training seminars. Lastly, Zenani will end the month with a dinner party for teachers. This is a thank you tribute from their students to show appreciation for all the teachers' hard work.
As you can see, there are many types of events that need planning and coordinating. They can be personal, cultural, for leisure, organizational, sports-related, and more. No two events are the same, and each event requires a lot of work, some more than others. Every detail needs to be well organized and must follow a strict schedule.
A good event planner will make a lasting impression on the guests who attend. However, events also have a fixed duration, which makes them perishable. This means that they can never be replicated or repeated in exactly the same way. For example, even if a music festival takes place every year, the performers will be different, the attendees will change, and the overall experience will never be captured in exactly the same way from one year to the next.
Now that you understand what an event is, can you think of any events that you've planned? How did they go?